Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna edit a couple more photos, and this time it's gonna be Canon raw file, how I color my raw files. And this is the CR3 compressed raw format on the 35mm f1.4 EF Mark II. So this is the photo shoot with Bula Baby, and I still have some photo that I haven't edited yet. So because we usually shoot about like 1,000 to 2,000 photo for each photo shoot. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna change the profile. So as you can see, the standard profile on the Adobe in the raw is not very colorful. I just change it to the standard V2 for the Canon. So after that, I'm gonna adjust a little bit of the lens correction a little bit. I like to have the vignetting on the lens. It created a nice retro style. So I leave it at around 27 so that it has a nice vignetting around here also. And the lighting, once this is very strong for highlights, I'm going to reduce the highlight a little bit more. You can see that the white, so I'm just reduce a little bit, increase the exposure slightly. Okay, a little bit reduce the yellow in here. Actually, you can see what's changing in the yellow hue also. So I'm gonna move in toward more the warmer side so that it's nice for editing later. And then turn down a little bit of the blue and green. So this is how I color grade the photo from the Canon EOS R EF 35mm. Slightly adjust, and then let me crop it to the Instagram 4:5. Make sure the eye level is around 1/3 area of the grid so that it's nicely cropped 1/3 area. And sometimes you can see here on the side about the overall framing, because it's a small thumbnail. You can see the overall negative space between the head and the side of the frame, and the space between this side as well. So this acting like a leading line to the portrait, because the user, from the viewer, usually they start from the left side and leading this line toward the portrait. So that's why it's good to have some leading line from the left to right and then toward the portrait. So the next one, I'm gonna add some shadow to the face area so that it lighten up a little bit. So let me add a little bit shadow in this area, and then do a smaller shadow just on the side as well. Okay, and in here I'm gonna smooth the skin right under the eyes a little bit, just smooth it up a little bit so that later I have that portraiture 3. So this I just smooth out a little bit, and the top here also. Just smooth it out a little bit. Okay, so this is just my editing process. I can add a little bit more, you see the vibrant excuse me. So maybe around +9, a little bit more vibrant to the photos because the red. So the next step, I'm gonna do the Portraiture 3 final touch. So if you pop up a Portraiture 3 and then I'm doing masking here and then select. So you can see the file change as a TIFF already, and it automatically generated a file. It's still a little bit too bright for me, so I'm gonna reduce a little bit, slightly. Okay, so overall is good. I'm gonna do a Command Shift E export to this one. So the next one, I'm gonna just copy from the raw file and then apply. I'm gonna apply a so I applied this to here. I like the vignetting here already, and let me see if I add more. I like the strong red in here, so it's nice. Yep, so around here is good. Let me see. I like to have the yellow in this one because it's nice warm tone here. Because if you don't have the yellow, so just a little bit less yellow. Okay, so just a little bit here. Let me see before and after. Oh, this is a different style also because it's a gray. If you turn down a lot yellow. Okay, I keep it around 38. And let me check this one. Okay, so I'm just leave it to vignetting because it's a very nice retro style. Okay. The dots here is fine. It's not. It's okay. I'm just gonna leave it slightly less. Okay. Before and after. So that's before and after. So it's more vibrant, and then I'm gonna do the edit in Portraiture 3. Just retouch the skin a little bit. Okay. Yeah. So after the retouching, as you can see that I haven't used the tone curve at all, because previously I used a lot of tone curves. Right now I don't use the tone curves because I'm gonna export this file and then edit it more in the visual as well. So I think this is good. I'm gonna do a export. So that's how I edit the Canon color, and I will have more editing video coming up as I'm editing my old photos and just to document my process of editing through different cameras. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more video coming up. Bye.